Right motorheads, welcome to the video. And today's video is another little add-on for the Yamaha R7. So what is it? Brake and clutch lever guards. Okay, so just taking a quick look at them outside the box. These I just picked up from eBay. I think they're around the $35–40 mark. And bits. I was having a bit of a closer look at them before. I don't know once I pull the bar ends off, but I don't think I'm going to need these. But we'll see. Use these as kind of like locking nuts and spacers just to give me a bit of space. Yeah, it's not a performance part to the motorcycle, it's more of a bling, sort of just dress it up a little bit, but if anything it'll make me live my MotoGP fantasies at no quicker than road legal speeds, he said, on that side of things. Alright, so we'll get over to the bike and we'll do the left side first, do the clutch side first. Alright, so we'll just crack this bar end off. Yeah, so just as I thought. Solid in there. It's probably got that, I guess, the expansion bit. So yeah, it's pretty much just I'll fit the nut. So I've put this and this nut that normally goes inside and expands those gap fillers, I guess, for what you want to call it. I've screwed that on so that'll actually screw on, but it'll effectively give me a spacer so there's a slight gap, which is going to be more important on the throttle side because you don't want anything interfering with that. So I should be able just to wind this on as I give myself a bit more space. So I've put a bit of Loctite or a bit of thread locker on it. That's better, at least I can see it this way. I should be able to finish it off with this. Okay, so that's one side on. Swap you over the other side. Okay, just going to fit these end bits. Okay, so that's the lever guards installed. I'll just do some adjustments and aligning and then I'll bring these over for a closer look. Okay guys, well that's it. I just made some final adjustments, just lining things up and then just final adjustments tightening them, and come up alright. Like I said, it's pure bling, doesn't add anything really to the performance. Obviously it'll give a little bit of a protection to the levers if something was to go wrong, but this is, yeah, purely just a bling, just to give it that real sort of racing look. Nice little easy mod, eBay specials. Yeah, works really well. That with the lever, it's all sort of blacked out, that the cockpit, that front end. So yeah, really happy with that. So guys, if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit me up in the comments, tell me what you think of the lever guards. Of course, I'll link these lever guards in the description down below. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the road.